Many little girls try out ballet classes. I'm sure the beautiful fluffy tutus may have something to do with it. But as the students learn more about ballet, they will understand that ballet is a true art form. Beyond that, ballet keeps the children active, and in a community where childhood obesity is on the rise, any form of movement helps. Today, we learn more about the art of ballet. Ballet dancers move their body constantly to express the art form. This art can become a passion for many. Parents should be aware that ballet may seem relaxed, but every part of the dancer's body requires movement.
Well, I think a lot of people want their kids to exercise and be healthy, and this is a great way for kids to exercise and be healthy because it not only exercises their body, but it exercises their mind, and it feeds their soul and their imagination. And there's so much more to ballet than, you know, just lifting your arm or kicking your leg. Your whole body is speaking and expressing itself, and I think that's the most beautiful part about it.
Leonid Kozlov, who has dedicated his life to ballet, he now teaches and inspires the younger generation. And he says the art form can also trigger intelligence. He stresses ballet is for both genders.
The ballet develops not only athleticism, not only physical, it's also intellectual. You listen to the music, classical music, your movement is very coordinated, and a grace for ladies and a graceful muscular movement for a man. If you look at the studio, that's where I've been in being a dancer. I recommend for everybody. It's a wonderful, wonderful way to develop a child.
If taken up professionally, ballet can become a serious art form.
Ballet, it's not just, like I said, the movement, it's a serious art. If you really study ballet, if you understand ballet, classical ballet, folk ballet, it's a very, very beautiful, sophisticated art. Start everything from folk. Folk is the beginning, like people express themselves, and classical ballet, it's just that it's essence of the romantic, beautiful movement.
Some of the older dancers at Kozlov Academy goes so far to comparing ballet to a type of sport. It requires plenty of movement, yet still artistic.
I like it very much because it's you can really move, and it's like a sport, but it's not a sport, it's an art. And it's really beautiful once you see yourself dancing.
Elizabeth Paalman says expressing your emotions is a huge part of ballet.
Well, it's a way of expressing yourself, so the different characters that you have to use and the emotions that you put into it. And it's a great way to forget everything else that's going on around. So when I enter class, it's like nothing else matters. I didn't have I didn't have stress or anything. It all goes away.
Dancing ballet is a dream for many little girls.
Well, I love ballet because it's like I love dancing classic music, and when I dance ballet, I feel like I'm finally doing what I wanted. Since I was a little girl, I always wanted to do ballet. Because ballet is something really hard and easy that you can do at the same time. Like, you can express your feelings. You can forget about the pain that you had, and when you listen to the music, you just can dance through it.
It's good to see the students so passionate about this particular art form.